Hello guys, good morning. So today I'll be giving you guys an update regarding the status of my tinnitus, and as well as I'll be doing a review of this product that I've recently bought online for my tinnitus. And by the way, welcome to my channel. This is Jimboy Morales and you're watching Gmo TV. So it's been a while na since nakapag-upload ako ng video, and the last video I made was like few weeks ago, and it was about a product that I bought online for my motorcycle. And now for this video I'll be giving you guys an update of my tinnitus and a review then para sa isang produkto na ginagamit ko for my tinnitus just for a couple of days. But anyway, you'll find out later on. So para sa tinnitus ko, habang tumatagal siya, nagiging bearable yung sound niya. Maybe nagiging sanay na ako. But there are times talaga na sobrang lumalakas siya and I could really hear it. Like kahit na malakas yung sound sa paligid ko, talagang narinig ko siya sa tenga ko. And because I had this tinnitus, I wasn't able to perform. Hindi ako naka-perform sa trabaho ko properly, and I wasn't able to sleep properly as well. So I decided mag-quit na lang sa trabaho, but my boss gave me an option na mag-file ng indefinite leave. So right now I'm on leave. So I will see if I'll get better, someday somehow para makabalik ako. Kasi pinipilit ko sarili ko na magtrabaho kahit meron ako nito, kasi ang effect kasi ng pagkakaroon ko ng tinnitus is hindi ako nakakatulog. If nakakatulog ako ng sa umaga, I can still work. Pero hindi ako nakakatulog if it caused my immune system to really drop. And there are people na sinabihan ko sila about this tinnitus. They said na it's psychological daw. They think that it's psychological. Parang ang hirap kasi pag yung sasabing psychological thing, panaisip ko, ano to, nababaliw na ako, ha? But anyway, I will be able to go back to normal kahit na meron ako nito, and hindi maapektuhan yung trabaho ko sa susunod, hindi maapektuhan yung lifestyle ko, hindi maapektuhan yung buong katawan ko with this. So now let's go ahead and talk about this product that I bought online and recently used for just a couple of days. It's because of this particular reason. Every time I use this product is masakit sa tenga. And the product is this one, and it's in Chinese. It's in Chinese character. See that? In Chinese character. And I bought it online. It says kasi here sa the description, a lemon blue ear acute otitis drops, Chinese herbal medicine for ear tinnitus, deafness, sore. Diba? Sobrang taas. I bought it and then tried it just for a couple of days kasi masakit siya sa tenga. I don't know if there's any effect sa iba, but to sa akin, I didn't wait kasi sobrang sakit. Nagpipir siya sa ilalim ng yung tenga ko. So hindi ko na siya tinuloy kasi sobrang sakit. Parang pag nilagay ko siya ng one drop, penetrates inside. Pag tinutusok, I don't know. Kaya hindi ko na tinuloy. Kaya natatakot ako i-continue. Tingnan nyo, konti pa lang yung nagamit ko. Kasi nga, ilang araw ko pa lang na-drops. But if there's anyone who used this, if any of you who used this product, this Chinese herb in Chinese character, does any of you use this? Please let me know if it works for you guys. Pero sa akin, I didn't wait. I didn't persevere. I didn't endure. Basta tinigil ko na siya kasi masakit sa tenga. So this product has yellow weird color and a weird smell. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Weird nung and then siya oil based yung drops. So I guess that's all for this video. Nasabi ko na siguro lahat ng gusto kong sabihin regarding sa product na yan at saka sa update ng tinnitus ko. So, if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, if you have any violent reaction, just comment down below and I'll be happy to, read it and hopefully reply you guys. Because sometimes naging busy din ako kung anong pinagagawa ko dito sa bahay. Well, anyway, thank you so much again for watching Gmo TV. This is Jiboy Morales, and may you all have a wonderful day. God bless you and stay safe. Peace out.